Grandma plucks
ये
apples from
देखिए
the apple tree
दोस्तों,
every day, but one
दादी
day a
ने
lot of
पेड़ में
apples
से सेब
disappear
तोड़
from
रहा
the
है
apple tree.
और
So
दादी
Grandma
कितना खुश
understands
है
and goes to
दोस्तों।
the corner of the hut and keeps an eye on the tree. Then a big pigeon comes and starts plucking
एक
apples from the
कबूतर भी
tree.
दादी
Then
का
the pigeon starts plucking the apples and goes away
मेहनत
and
कर रहा है
Grandma
दोस्तों।
follows him.
पूरा
Then
वीडियो
the
देख
pigeon
लिए
comes to
दोस्तों,
his house and
और
starts
वीडियो को
feeding
लाइक
apples
और
to his
चैनल को
children.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए
Grandma
दोस्तों।
understands that the pigeon brings apples for his children every day. Then one day a flood comes in the village and
ये
all the
देखिए
children of the
दोस्तों,
pigeon get washed away in the flood. Then Grandma comes running to the pigeon and brings the pigeon with her. Now the pigeon starts living with Grandma, but still the pigeon is crying because no one has liked or